Definition: mark of punctuation used after a statement that introduces a quotation, an exclamation, an example, or a series. Uses: introducing a list. The colon is used to introduce a list of items. The bookstore specialized in three subjects: art, architecture, and graphic design. Do not use a colon when the list of items are incorporated into the flow of the sentence.
Time. To separate hours and minutes. Correspondence. On greetings. Biblical references. To separate chapter from verse. Rules. Rule 1. Explanation clarification. Between independent clauses when the second explains or illustrates the first. Example: a dolphin is not a fish. Colon: it's a warm-blooded mammal. Rule 2. Written text. After an introductory sentence, a colon is placed before a list of items. Word or phrase items are separated with commas. Example: there are 3 types of muscles in the body: colon, cardiac, smooth, and skeletal.
Rule number 3. Introducing a list. The colon is used to introduce a list of items. Example: my duties at Pet Health were as follows: checking in, scheduling, labeling, and billing. Rule number 4. Do not use a colon to separate a proposition from its object. Rule number 5. A colon gives emphasis to whatever you are introducing. Example: Africa is facing a terrifying problem: perpetual drought.